Hey, what's up guys, this is Aswin. So in this Figma tutorial we are going to create a Glassmorphism. So let's get started. So first of all we need to draw a shape. Here I am going to draw a rectangle. For that you can use shortcut R in your keyboard or you can select it from drop down menu. After creating rectangle, change the dimension as 920 by 520 and the corner radius as 42. Then press Alt in your keyboard and drag and drop another rectangle. Here the first rectangle is for your gradient and the second rectangle is for glass effect. You can use image instead of the first rectangle. Select the second rectangle and go to fill color and change the solid color into linear. Select pure white color and change the opacity as 40 and 10. Now drag and drop the second rectangle onto your first rectangle and then go to FX, then change it to background blur and change it as 50. Now we need to create a drop shadow. For that you need to go to FX and then add a drop shadow. X-axis is 0, Y-axis is 1, blur is 24, spread is -1. Now you can see the difference before adding drop shadow and after adding drop shadow. Now I am going to add a text and it's up to you, you can add your own text. Now let's see how to do it using an image. First you need to delete the gradient layer and then drag and drop the image instead of the gradient layer. Then change the corner radius as 42 and select the glass layer and go to FX. Then change the background layer and set the background layer as 30. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.